pretty nice one there. This one's already halfway picked. And here's another one. Two more. That's a pretty good one. There's a couple more up here. I'll have to look around this spot a little more, I think. I've been through here about 3 times. I don't know if I just missed these or these just come up. These heads just come up because I was just through here a couple minutes ago, and I circled back around and come back to go to the mule to go to another place, and here they are. I couldn't have passed more than 15 feet from them.